In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to outline images in GIMP. This is a quick guide that will help you enhance your images by adding a neat outline to an object, all within just 5 minutes. Let's dive right in and see how it's done. First, you need to open your image file in GIMP. To do this, simply go to the top menu, click on File, and then select Open. This will allow you to browse your computer for the image you want to work with. Once you've found it, double-click to open it in GIMP. Now, we want to focus on the object within the image that you're planning to outline. Head over to the Tools menu at the top. Select Selection Tools, and then go for the Fuzzy Select tool, which you might recognize as the magic wand icon. This tool allows you to select areas of the same color, and in this case, we're going to click on the object you wish to outline. Take your time to ensure you've selected the correct part of your image. Once your object is selected, it's time to define how thick you want the outline to be. Go to Select in the menu, and then choose Grow. A small window will pop up where you can enter the thickness you desire for your outline in pixels. After inputting your desired number, click OK. GIMP will expand your selection evenly around your object based on the pixel thickness you specified. With this new expanded selection, let's move on to the next step. Go to Edit in the menu and find Stroke Selection. This option will bring up another menu where you can customize the line that will form your outline. Here, you'll decide on the width of the stroke and the style. You can choose a simple line or something more decorative, depending on your artistic vision for the image. Once you're satisfied with your settings, click Stroke. After outlining your object, it's time to remove the selection. This will clear the guide marks so you can see your outlined object clearly. For this, go to Select again, but this time click on None. This will deselect the object and leave you with a clean view of your newly outlined image. Finally, you want to save your work. Head back up to File and choose Export As. This will let you save your enhanced image in the format of your choosing. Make sure to choose a file type that suits your needs, whether it's for online sharing as a JPEG or maintaining high quality as a PNG. And there you have it. In just a few minutes, you've successfully outlined an object in GIMP, giving your image a professional touch. Thanks for following along, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Until next time, happy editing!